Saan ang College of Law? Sus Mariusep. Walang ginawa yan kung galing slavery. Yan yung Minjulan, yung bridge. Pagbaba mo, Ligarda. Yung kanto, nandyan pa? Chilled beer. Yung ilaw na yan, naging judge. Puro. Clavicilia he used to be the judge of Naga. Doon kami sa kaya sayang ito sila di dumaan kay Solidom. May ako diyan. To si Rene, ang may-ari nito, beda niyan. Where are you, Rene? The president of Pwede pa ba ako magsalita? Wala. Wala man akong iyabang. Walang medalya, wala lahat. So, ito na lang yung yun kasi late tag rin ako eh. Noon is Veronica. By the way, Sebastian, yung youngest son ko, beda niyan. Walang ginawa kung hindi maghabol ng babae. Hanggang ngayon. Kagaya na trabaho na tatay niya noon. For this one is worse. Paragi kaming may dynamics yan kasi may mga anak eh. So, well anyway, itong sa, I was forgiven. Yun ang platform ko. I was proud to be called the Bedan. Itong anak ko, gusto na rin mag-aral dito. Gusto niya magtira dyan. Sabi ko na, you're better off with your mother sa Davao. Sabi niya, pa, yan bang matanda na yan nandyan sa kabinet mo? Sabi ko, sino na? Yan yung matanda na Bisaya. So, si Leonor Briones. So, yan. Di ba, Bisaya yan. Sabi ko, sabihin na, ano man nakain niya? Bakit hinabaan niya itong kurso namin K-12? Sabi ko na, wala man tayong problema dyan. If it's just a matter of suggesting, I can. But, sabi ko, I would have to go into incongruity. Ngayon, bakit? Alam mo na, ang original K-12 talaga, tatay mo. It took me 7 years to finish high school. Kaya matanda na ako sa kanila. I'm 73. Ito sila rin mga 70 lang yan. Kasi well, including the scholarship of Soroy and Soroy is Lakwatsa. Took me 7 years actually. Meron akong isang binets, sabi ko sa kanila. May professor kami. Kilala professor ni Abi yan. He's the youngest to talk the bar. Pass it at the age of 20. He could not take his oath of office because wala pa siya sa edad. He had to wait for 1 year to record holder. He's the youngest to top the bar. Sabi. Pero dumaan ka ba, sir, kay Solidom? Ha? Itong Solidom na ito, galing ito Capiz. Justice. Ang boses nito, may mga taga-law school, ang boses nito, yung boses, shrill. That's what, shrill. And he could only pronounce the last syllable. Bate! Tindig, Laurente, pati ako, tumindig. So, grouchy na, Pero lahat kay dumaan kay Solidom. Ang remedyalo, una kaming natapos. Tapos tumindig kami, sabi niya, oh, God damn it, I did not call you! Sit down! Sit down ako. You stand up. Sir, I did not I did not hear my name, sir, called. Because you are always talking at the back. God damn it, come here in front. Ganon kami sa college. Ayaw man siguro ngayon, mga bata. Pagdating ko sa, pinupo ako dyan sa front. Sabi niya, Lunti, sit down. You recite. Tindig ako, sabi ko. Sabi niya, what? Sabi ko, sir, there is no question yet, sir. Puta na galit. Sabi ba ng matanda, kaya gano'n ako yan, God damn it, Duterte, do not scratch your head and scatter your dandruff in this room. Keep it on your head, that is the only one you have. Dumakip kay Pono, Solidom, Jack Jacinto. Is still around, sir? Jack? Jack Jacinto. Patay na? Tayo na ang sunod, Bong. And that was class 72. But tatlo sa amin ang pumasok sa ano. That's a record. San Beda naman, 1 or 2, but every year, mayroon talaga yan, 2, 3, 2, 3. Sa amin, 3 ang pumasok ng top 10. Star-studded yung klase namin. So, may I now read the piece that was prepared by, dyan lang yan, the PMS, yung Presidential Management Staff. Kasi pag hindi, nagsasabi, gagod. Hindi mo lang rin pala pagbasa, papagawa pa lang. So, in fairness, I congratulate our graduates for reaching this remarkable milestone in their academic journey. Today, we do not celebrate their hard work, determination, and triumph, but also wish them all the best as they begin their journey towards the realization of their dreams. I also laud San Beda for the successful culmination of its first batch of graduates as a university. This accomplishment serves not only as a testament to the school's commitment to academic excellence and innovation, but also as an inspiration to contribute further for the long-term progress of higher education in the country. Let this milestone remind us of the indispensable role of education in charting the course of our youth's future, in harnessing their potential to become outstanding individuals. Indeed, the graduates have done a great job in channeling their passion into endeavors that enrich their respective vocations. May they continue to contribute to our nation's progress as they join our country's workforce and become productive members of society. As the university marks another chapter in its long history, I trust that you will become more invigorated to demonstrate the Benedictine principles that have guided you and us, kami, in your respective pursuits. Serve as examples of servant leadership among your peers, and let your enthusiasm and humility propel you towards further success as you build your respective careers. This remarkable success of our fellow Bedan alumni in various fields and professions is truly a positive indication of our contributions to our country's continuing path to sustainable progress. With your determination to cultivate your talent and skills, I am confident that you can contribute further to the betterment of your respective communities and industries. As one Bedan community, let us work together in forging a stronger citizenry who proactively respond to the call of the service of our country and people. As you leave the halls of your alma mater, I ask you to join me in our shared task of uplifting the well-being of our people and looking after the welfare of the poor and the marginalized. Hand in hand, let us march towards a more peaceful and progressive Philippines. Again, congratulations to the class of 2018. Mabuhay kayong lahat at ako'y sumasaludo sa inyo.
Thank you very much, our dear President, for gracing this momentous occasion. We are greatly honored by your presence.